well into the teens, like about 14, 15. Just got through flying the Cyrus. Taking that to Berlin. Cessna. No flares. Cessna's clear for takeoff. It's gonna have a good flight. Likes running. Trim. Rudder and a little up elevator in the trims. I'm just going to fly it around still. I know I want to twist it up. I want to go vertical. I want to do all of that. But I'm going to try to do things this way. Instead of just flare up and wind. I wanted to go vertical right there. I was like, what's it gonna hurt? What's it gonna hurt? I will be nice. I will be smart.
Time to stop. Time to start. Time remaining 3 minutes. Time to stop. Time to start.
Man, I still had a lot of battery left after that first almost 5-minute flight.
Time to start.
Well, let's see how she rolls. Yeah, it rolls alright for a high wing. Again, that's on gyro, I think. I'm not going to mess with the switch because I'm flying it. I'm pretty sure that's gyro on. I don't know. It's either first or second.
Time to stop.
Man, look at it drift in the wind. Holy cow. Well, so much for just putting around with it. I knew that wouldn't last. I just know that I'm not letting it get too low to the ground because it has probably weighs 9 pounds with the battery.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Time to stop.
Wow. I just hung on that corner. Oh my
Time to
goodness.
start.
Man, it's a long ways away. This is the first flight on these batteries, so I'm not going to push them too much. Zippy 6L 5000. They had them on sale. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how they go. I got the Admiral.
Time remaining 1 minute. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Man, it's funny. It can be gusting in the teens, or like right now, the wind is barely.
Timer start.
Now it's picking back up again. This would be one of those days where it'd be hard to sail,
30 seconds.
because you'd have to be set up for the gust.
Seconds. Timer stop. Take off flaps.
I'm gonna land half flaps this time. Wow.
Flaps up.
Holy cow, man. Well, there's flight number 2. Hopefully I'm going to get 4 in. Whew.
Motor off.
Yep, there's that cutoff switch. On a big plane with a big 16-inch prop, yep, I'm going to put a cutoff switch. Hoo 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 hoo.